Welcome to LASCO. We are pleased to introduce the internet-based LASCO maintenance services to you. LASCO machines and systems stand out due to their high availability and operational reliability. In order to guarantee this in the long run, it is particularly important to us to offer our customers the fastest possible support and also to provide competent assistance in a spirit of partnership. Those who eliminate the fault immediately on site without loss of time have the lead. It is precisely for this challenge that we have the optimum solution, LASCO Remote Assistance. LASCO Remote Assistance enables effective service directly at the location of the incident. One touch of a button, and you are directly connected to our LASCO expert. We will solve the problem together, as a team, as if we were standing next to you. After joint troubleshooting, you can use your LASCO production line again, and with the usual high reliability. With LASCO Remote Assistance, you benefit from fast response times, more targeted fault detection and quick troubleshooting, and all this without unnecessary travel time and associated costs. Just contact us. We'll be happy to advise you.